Hello, little builder. Are you ready to learn all about a super big, super strong machine? I thought so. Okay then, let's dig right in. Oh, hang on a second. Shh. Look over there. Does it look like our digger is taking a little nap? Yeah, I think it's sleeping. What do you think? Should we wake it up? Okay, I think we should. On the count of 3, let's make a really loud engine sound to wake it up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Vroom! Louder! Vroom! Chug, chug, chug! Oh, yes! I think that worked. Great job. All right, now that our digger is up and ready to go, let's meet this amazing machine and find out all the incredible things it can do. So, this is a digger. You know, some grown-ups call it an excavator. It's a super mighty machine that helps people with really big jobs. It can dig huge holes, scoop up mountains of dirt, and lift things that are way too heavy for us. They help build our whole world. So, what do you say? Are you ready to get moving?
We can actually pretend to be a digger with our own bodies.
Yeah, it's the best way to learn all its special parts. Come on, let's try it. Okay, first thing, I want you to stretch one arm way out, super straight and strong. Go on, reach for the sky. That's the boom. That's the first big part of the digger's arm that lifts everything way up high. Perfect. Now keep your arm out and just bend your elbow. See how you did that? Your elbow is just like the digger's stick. That's the part that helps the big metal arm bend down to reach the ground.
And for the last part, look at your hand. Let's open and close it, just like that. Your hand is the bucket. It's the part that scoops up all the dirt and rocks. Let's practice. Open and scoop.
Wow, you've got a whole digger arm now. So let's put it to work. We're going to do the actions and say the words. Ready? Here we go. Scoop, lift, tip. Awesome. Let's do it again. Scoop, lift, tip. How about a little faster now? Scoop, lift, tip. You're a natural.
That was great moving. Now that we know all the parts, let's see how a real digger uses them. You know, diggers aren't just strong, they're also super smart. They always have a plan and a secret power to get the job done.
So, what's that secret power? Well, it's a big word, hydraulics. Can you say that? Hydraulics? It just means liquid power. It's like the digger has super strong muscles inside, but they're made of liquid that gets pushed through pipes. That's what gives the arm all its power to lift really heavy stuff. Cool, right? And what about their smart plan? Well, it's simple. First, they figure out where to dig. That's step 1. Then, they move into just the right spot. And then, the really fun part begins. They dig down, move all the dirt, and then guess what? They just do it again and again until the whole job is done. You know, a digger is super powerful, but sometimes even the strongest machine needs a little help from its friends. That's right. Diggers love to work as part of a super strong construction team. So we already know the digger's main job, right? It's digging. It uses that powerful arm and bucket to scoop up tons and tons of dirt. But what happens to all that dirt once it's in the bucket? Where does it all go?
It goes to its best buddy on the construction site, the dump truck. The dump truck comes right over, and the digger tips its bucket and fills it all the way up with dirt. Then, the dump truck's job is to carry it all away.
Beep, beep. That's the truck backing up. See, the digger and the dump truck work together just perfectly. That's called teamwork. And you know what? It makes every single big job so much easier and faster. So all this hard work, all this digging and lifting and teamwork, it's for a really important reason. Let's find out all the amazing things that get built because of our awesome digger friends.
Just look around you. Diggers help build the houses that we live in and the roads that we drive our cars on. They even help put big pipes deep under the ground to bring us our water. And best of all, they help build our favorite playground so we have a place to swing and slide. Diggers are everywhere.
I know a fun rhyme about diggers. Let's say this part together, okay? You ready? Here we go. I'm a digger, strong and tall. I scoop up dirt and move it all. Yes, you got it. You sound just like a real digger operator. Okay, it's time for some silly questions. Can a digger eat a big scoop of yummy ice cream? No! Can a digger jump up and down on a trampoline? No way! So what can a digger do? You know this. That's right, it can dig, scoop, and lift. Wow, what a super busy day! Our digger friend has worked so hard, and now I think it's getting tired again. It's time to park it for the night. Let's turn off the big engine, click, and let's all whisper, "Good night, digger." But before we go, I have one last really big, really important question for you. If you had your very own digger with a big boom, a strong stick, and a giant bucket, what amazing thing would you build? Would you build the tallest castle ever? Or maybe a giant swimming pool? Ooh, or maybe a secret fort? Just imagine all the things you could create.